Everyone's obsessing over the perfect lip combo, and I have all the lip combos from the Oscars red carpet. Makeup artists have shared exactly what they used to create the perfect nude lips. So if you're a lipstick lover, and especially if you are a nude lipstick lover, then I hope you enjoyed today's video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And before we dive into today's video, I'm super excited because I have here the new City Beauty City Lips Defining Liners. I have the shade Blush and Willow, and I'm going to do a quick swatch and lip combo with these. I also have their lip plumping gloss, which is so amazing, and I've been using it regularly, and it has definitely helped to plump my lips. I don't have any lip filler, and I have pretty thin lips, and their lip plumper, the City Beauty City Lips lip plumper, is so good. It definitely has done an amazing job at plumping my lips. And what I love about these liners from City Beauty is that they really do help to give you smoother, fuller, and more youthful looking lips. They also help to prevent smudging and fading and feathering. So they last a super long time, and you won't wind up with a ring around your mouth. You just wind up with fuller looking lips, more gorgeous looking lips. So the first defining liner that I'll swatch out is called Blush. This is a soft rosy nude. This is great for a lighter skin tone, but I do like to mix up the liners. If you like a deeper liner, of course, I'm going to show you another one in a moment. It's called Willow, and that's for deeper complexions. But if you have a lighter complexion like mine, you can also wear Willow. It's just going to be a bit deeper. But here is Blush just to get started. I'm going to swatch this one first. So this is Blush. What do you think? I also love how these have really incredible skincare ingredients in these liners. These liners do have vitamin E in them, which is going to help boost hydration in your lips, and it's also going to protect against environmental factors. And it's also going to soothe your lips and help to prevent the look of dryness. And I am going to pair this with my City Beauty. This is the City Lips Plumping Gloss, and this is the pink nude shade. Do you see how much bigger my lips look already? Isn't that crazy? And there's no stinging, there's no burning. That just plumps your lips, and it doesn't budge. It stays put. It's a gloss that actually stays in place, and it feels incredible. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, and then the liner has, again, the vitamin E in it, and it also has beeswax in it. It's a synthetic beeswax, so that's also going to moisturize your lips. And then it also has isododecane in it, which is also going to help to prevent smudging. And if you'd like to take it up a notch, if you'd like a more glossy look to your lips, you could always go in with the City Beauty Plumping Lip Oil. And I just love to do this when I want a glossier, even more glossier look to my lips. So I'll just pop a little bit of this on the center of my lips. And it's just going to make your lips look so much bigger, so much juicier, if you like that look. So that's just another option. So I just took off the previous lip combo, and now I'm going to swatch out Willow. This is a deeper tone. It's described as a rich, warm-toned nude, and they do describe this as being better for a deeper complexion. If you're like me and you like more of a dramatic look to your lip liner, then this is definitely an option for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. So what do you think? I absolutely love this shade. Actually, I do like to mix the two. If you're like me and you like to mix your lip liners, that's a great option, but on its own, it's also just absolutely stunning. And then I'll pair it again with my City Lips Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is Pink Nude. It's amazing how as soon as you put on these plumping glosses, they fill in every crevice of your lips. They immediately make your lips look fuller and plumper. And I love how the City Lips Defining Liner just helps prevent all of that feathering and fading. It helps to prevent the gloss from sort of bleeding out, so it stays put. And they're both super moisturizing, the gloss and the defining liner. So this is how this lip combo looks. Which liner do you like better? And I'll just put the lip oil again on top just to show you another option. So this is the lip combo. What do you think? Which combo do you like better? The first one that we put on with Blush, or this one with Willow? And these are cruelty-free, and they're also pretty much clean beauty because they're formulated with absolutely no mineral oil, any sulfates, there's no fragrance. I also love how City Beauty has a great return policy. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, you can send it back and they will refund the full amount of your purchase minus shipping. These are also made in the USA, and I am super excited because they did give me a promo code to share with you today. All you have to do is use code Alegra and you'll receive 15% off of your City Beauty's City Lips Defining Liners. So let me know if you like lip combo 1 better or lip combo 2. Which one will you be picking up? Let me know down below. Thank you so much much to City Beauty for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. So the first lip combo that I have here from the Oscars was actually worn by Kaia Gerber. Now, can we talk about how absolutely gorgeous that she looked? I love how she had this kind of 60s style with the big hair, and it was really giving that Priscilla Presley look. And a lot of you might know already, but Kaia Gerber is actually the daughter of Cindy Crawford. So according to Kaia's makeup artist, Kaia was wearing the Valentino Spike Buttery Matte Lipstick, and she was wearing the shade 134R, which is called Couture in the Streets. This is a rosy beige nude that made her lips appear like they were naturally flushed. So she got that your lips but better look with this lipstick. And this nude lipstick gives you so much color payoff in just one stroke, thanks to its cotton oil extract that moisturizes, and it's said to give you 10 whole hours of hydration and wear. And Valentino does describe this as a stay true color, and they say it has the rare ability to flatter most fair skin tones. So again, it does have that cotton oil extract in it, which is a moisturizing formula that keeps your lips hydrated and smooth. It also has their exclusive to Valentino Roma Light Complex, which is infused with light to add dimension and intensity of each color. So I have never tried these lips. Have you tried them? Let me know your thoughts down below. I haven't tried Valentino lip products yet. Next, we have Jenna Ortega, who was also rocking an absolutely gorgeous nude lip combo. Jenna was wearing 200 Nude Touch from Dior Beauty with the 218 Rose Lip Contour lip liner from Dior. Now, this lip liner from Dior is a smudge resistant and transfer proof lip liner. They say it's never going to put you in a less than perfect pout situation like a lot of lip liners will do, but not this one, they say, from Dior. It's also shea butter powered, and it also has antioxidant based hydration, and so there are skincare ingredients in it that will help to improve your skin's elasticity. So now I am a huge fan of the Dior lips. I think the lip liner is absolutely amazing. It truly is long lasting. It's really pigmented. It truly does stay in place, and it does come with that great brush on the other end. So one side is the lip liner and one side is the brush. Also, the lipsticks are also very long lasting and they're not drying whatsoever. So next up we have Lindsay Lohan, who was at the Vanity Fair Oscars party looking gorgeous. Lindsay was wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Big Lip Plumpgasm Plumping Lip Gloss. This does retail for $35, and she's wearing the pink nude shade. There are two shades in this Plumpgasm Lip Plumping Gloss, and it's said to make lips look 93% fuller. And the longer that you wear the gloss, the more prominent the effects will be at plumping your lips. It also is infused with hyaluronic acid. Lindsay's makeup artist also made sure to line her lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheap Pencil in the nude rose shade Icon Baby. This Pillow Talk gloss visibly will plump your lips, hydrate your lips, and will work immediately and over time, which is really awesome. It does employ heat and ice technology, so it plumps your lips without a sting, and it will smooth your lips, and the hyaluronic acid in it will deliver long-lasting hydration. So this is another product that I do have, and I absolutely love it. Both the lip cheat and the lip gloss. The plumping lip gloss does not hurt. It's really amazing. It has such a beautiful tone to it. And again, there are two shades, one for a lighter complexion and one for a deeper complexion. Both shades are absolutely gorgeous, super long lasting, and feel so good on your lips. Up next, we have Sophia Richie, who wore the Armani Beauty Prisma Glass Hydrating Lip Gloss with Squalane. She applied this over the Armani 07 Nude Glow Lip Power Longwear Satin Lipstick in number 107 Sensual. So first she applied the 107 Sensual lipstick, and then she applied the Prisma Glass Hydrating Lip Gloss on top, and that again is in 07 Nude Glow. And with the gloss on top, it gave a dewy and refreshing look to her makeup. And this lip gloss does provide a glass-like shine. It locks in 24 hours of hydration. It is said to flatter most complexions. It's a high shine hydrating lip gloss that will reflect light for fuller looking pillowy soft lips. And it does have skincare ingredients, again, like squalane, which is going to help protect the lip barrier. And it does come in a variety of different hues. If you don't want to get the one that Sophia got, then there is a clear version, nude, a pink, and reds. And it just adds a glossy wash of color to enhance your lips' natural look. So how gorgeous did she look? I always love her makeup. She does a very beautiful no makeup look, but she does wear quite a bit of makeup, but she just blends it out in such a way so that it looks very natural and effortless. So what do you think of her makeup look? Let me know down below. And then finally we have Divine Joy Rudolph. Divine was wearing the Lancome Lip Idol Squalane 12 Butter Glow Hydrating Lip Balm. This is a newly released hydrating lip balm that's tinted, and she was wearing the shade 26 Don't Be Shy. These lip balms also offer 24 hours of hydration, a kissable shine, and it's a lightweight formula perfect for applying on the move, or you can be more precise with it and apply it with a brush before a night out. And her makeup artist paired it with the Lancome Lip Idol Lip Shaper in 62 Morning Espresso for a gorgeous nude toned lip look. So how gorgeous did Divine look? I absolutely love that lip combo, and those lips, the tinted lip balms from Lancome are an absolute dream. They feel so good on your lips. They're so moisturizing, and it's very easy to apply, so you could just pop it on and it just really stays in place, so it gives a very effortless look, and there's not a lot of work involved, but you get a beautiful color payoff. So which one of these nude lip combos is your favorite? Have you tried any of these lips? Let me know down below any of your favorites or any nude lip products that you are loving. And let me also know if you're here for the nude lip trend, but I feel like it's always a nude lip moment. Don't you feel the same? Like, people are saying 2025 is the year of the nude lip, but I actually feel like it's always the year of a nude lip. But let me know your thoughts down below. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.